Good morning this Wednesday, the 21st of September. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Taking a look at the markets overnight, in the US it was a choppy session that ended lower across the key indices as investor confidence slumped ahead of the release of the Fed's interest rate decision out on Wednesday US time, Thursday our time. The Dow Jones closed Tuesday's session at 1.65% lower, the S&P 500 lost 1.62%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq shed almost 1.5%. US housing momentum also fell for a ninth straight month in August as US mortgage rates climbed. The sell-off continued over into the UK and Europe, with the FTSE 100 losing 0.61% on Tuesday, while Germany's DAX fell more than 1% and the French CAC shed 1.35%. Locally, the RBA's meeting minutes released yesterday boosted investor confidence that the RBA is a real global outlier and pushing ahead with a slower rate of interest rate hikes, a move that other central banks are not yet even considering. Investor sentiment was dampened in recent weeks, though, after US inflation data revealed US CPI remains red hot and above market expectations, prompting the Fed to possibly introduce a 100 basis point or 1% rate hike on Thursday our time, Wednesday US time, at the conclusion of the FOMC meeting. Local investors feared the RBA would follow suit, however, it isn't yet to be. Energy and materials and utility stocks led the market rally yesterday, with New Hope soaring almost 9% after releasing stellar FY22 results, including NPAT soaring over 1,100%. On the commodities front, the price of commodities are down across the board today. Crude oil is trading 1.5% lower, around $84 a barrel. Brent is trading around $90 a barrel, so nearly 2% lower. Iron ore is trading down 1.5% at $100 a tonne, and gold continues its slump, trading around 0.75% lower at $1,663 an ounce. Ahead of the local trading session today, the ASX futures are expecting the market to open sharply lower, around 1.45% lower, again following that global sell-off overnight. Stocks going ex-dividend today include Capital Health, Count Plus, Adbury, Cleanaway Waste Management, and Cochlear. If you've been thinking about these stocks, it might be worth considering buying in today, as stocks going ex-dividend generally trade lower on the ex-dividend date. There is no local economic data news out today, however investors will still be awaiting the release of the Fed's interest rate decision out tomorrow at 4 a.m. Eastern Time. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Webjet following the formation of a pattern over a 16-day period, which is the same amount of time the stock price may rise from the close of $5.43 to the range of $6.15 to $6.35, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Bell Potter has downgraded its price target on Imugene to 36 cents per share from 45 cents and has a speculative buy rating on this stock. The price target downgrade follows Bell Potter identifying the need for the company to raise capital to support its clinical trial programs through the issuing of 400 million new shares at 20 cents a share. Bell Potter also notes the company is executing quite a few trials over the next year, where investors will be keeping a close eye on the results to determine just how valuable the biotech company operations are. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolf with Bell Direct. Have a wonderful trading day and happy investing.